Well, hello, my name is David Barnes. I am here at the 2015 IBM Partner World Leadership Conference. I have the great honor of meeting this year's Beacon Award winners. Here I have Helen Beal, and
Hi.
Helen, you're with Ranger4.
I am,
Head
yes.
of DevOps, and so what's Ranger4? What do you do?
We're a DevOps transformation specialist based in Surrey in the UK.
Mm-hmm. So tell me what that means. Well, no, let's assume I don't know what DevOps really even is. What can it do for me?
Okay, so DevOps is a movement that's come about because there's a conflict between IT development and operations teams, which are traditionally quite siloed. So what's happened is that IT, I don't know whether you've heard the phrase software's eating the world.
Software's eating the world.
Yeah.
I won't forget that.
So what it means is that applications and IT has become more critically strategic to companies today.
Right.
So everyone has to take advantage of the internet, otherwise their businesses won't survive. So what that's given us is a situation where businesses are putting a lot of pressure on IT development to develop a lot of innovation.
And IT's not fast.
IT's not fast, and that means there's a lot of change. And in particularly in traditional enterprises, what we've got are infrastructures that have evolved over several decades. They're very sophisticated and actually quite fragile. So you have the IT operations teams that are very keen to keep those systems up and running. They're often rewarded on uptime. Right. So you've got this conflict with development trying to push through change and operations trying to keep systems stable. So they don't want the change. It's risky.
And the business units want it.
Business unit want all this wonderful end user experience. They want to delight their customers. They, trying to keep up against the competition and give their customers more things to play with. So there's a lot of pressure in, and how that plays out is when there's an outage, for example, if a system does come down because there's a problem with it, we end up with these war room scenarios. So you have lots of people pointing fingers and saying it's the DBA's fault, it's developers did something wrong. We have situations.
So Ranger4 then comes to the rescue, right?
We do, and we help people through a DevOps transformation, yes.
So you've won a Beacon Award for Outstanding DevOps Solution.
Yes.
Again, congratulations.
Thank you.
What was the scenario or the use case, the business case that you built?
Well, the specific solution that we won the Beacon Award for is called the DevOps Maturity Assessment. So what we found is we were working with a lot of organisations who had heard of DevOps. They recognised that they were experiencing some of the pain that I just described. So this kind of blaming, the war rooms, not being able to move fast enough. And they could see that they wanted to get code to their customers faster. They wanted it to be high quality. And so they could see that DevOps was going to give them lots of benefits, but they didn't really know where to start. So we wrote the DevOps Maturity Assessment, which is a piece of consulting that effectively baselines where an organisation currently is.
So you actually go in and assess where they're at.
Yeah.
And then
so we look at their current state. We've got huge amounts of metrics that we measure over cultural readiness, process maturity, the extent of automation in the business.
Cultural readiness.
Yes.
That's really interesting.
Yeah.
And so so that's when Ranger4 comes to the rescue.
We do, yeah.
Okay, so how does it feel to win a Beacon Award?
We've been so excited to win this. Ranger4 is quite a new company. This is the first Beacon Award that we've won. It's just really wonderful to be recognised by IBM for our thought leadership in this space.
I love the way you said the first, because I could see in your mind, not the last.
Oh, definitely not the last.
That's terrific. That's terrific. Well, again, congratulations. Thanks for joining us here.
Thank you.
There are a lot of great success stories at Partner World. You can learn about more of them at youtube.com, of course. Partner Voices Video.